Just finished crying. Hey. 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 Anyways, hey guys. So it's me, Julia, here today, and today I'm gonna be uploading my first YouTube video. And what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be doing a thrift haul and an editing tutorial for a picture on my Instagram, which I think will be near the end of this video, so stick around for that. But right now we're just gonna go straight into the thrift haul. So this first item I got is this kind of like white silky long sleeve top, and it's really comfy. I like the feel of it. It's really light, and my mom picked it out for me and I really liked it, and I was like, why not, we should get it, you know. But you do have to wear like something that doesn't show your bra if you're gonna be wearing a bra under it, which is kind of like a con of the shirt, but it's fine. Overall, I really like this shirt and I definitely will be wearing it a lot more this summer. So the next two things I got here is this green like tank top, and it's actually from TNA, surprisingly, and I actually did crop it. Maybe you can tell I cropped it like kind of terribly, like the line is not straight at all whatsoever, but it's fine. It still looks cute. And I'm also wearing this like baggy oversized dark blue sweatshirt, and I really like this, like these two outfit combos together, because it's like a tank top and like a baggy shirt or an oversized sweater over it, and that's like super trendy right now. And yeah, I just really love this. So the second tank top that I cropped is this kind of like orange tangerine color, if you will, and I also cropped this kind of terribly, but it's fine. And I'm also wearing it with the oversized blue hoodie, and this is also another one of my favorite tank tops because it literally could just go with like any outfit, and like honestly like any outfit. So the last tank top that I cropped is just your average white tank top, you know, nothing really special to it, but obviously this one is so like easy and simple and could just go with any outfit. And that's probably why this is like one of my favorite tank tops that I own, just because it's so universal and it goes with any outfit. And I also just really like this with the oversized hoodie. So the fourth thing I got from the thrift store was this like button-up black bowling shirt. I really like this shirt as it reminds me of Rue from Euphoria, and that's why I really wanted a shirt like this. And I definitely think if you want to like spice some things up with your bowling shirt, you can add like a design on the side or even on the back, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. But honestly, this outfit looks really good with a pair of sweatpants and like a pair of Air Forces or Air Maxes, just like any white sneaker. So now we're moving on to pants, and I got these dark army green pants, and they flare at the bottom, and they are actually in fact from the men's section, which when I saw it I honestly thought it was from like the women's section. Like it was so nice, and I just love wearing these pants. Hey guys, so right now I'm recording on my phone because my camera literally just died on me, and I was literally just about to show the last item that I got, and it just dies, so that's amazing. So right now I'm recording on my phone, and I'll show you guys the last thing I got at the thrift store. So this is what it looks like from the front, like my whole pants. It's like dark brown, and they're pretty long, not gonna lie. And this is like the left side, right side, front, all around. I'm not gonna show the back because I have to tie it back and like with an elastic and a hair. Why can I not talk? And a hair elastic, and it just doesn't look So we won't show that. But yeah, definitely, like, these are really cute. One of my favorite pants. Even if it's from like the men's section, like it looks so amazing and it just fits me so well. And I really like them. And bra clothes are starting to get back into trend. So yeah. But yeah, these are my pants. That's everything I got from the thrift store. And stick around for the editing tutorial. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my thrift haul. Hey guys, so I'm back, and today, right now in this part of the video, I will be showing you guys how I did my Instagram post, the kind of overlay glitchy effect, and I will show you guys how to do that just now. So I'm gonna start screen recording right now, and it's actually really simple. It's really easy. I think anyone could do this. And the app I use is free, and the app I use, it was actually called InFilter, and it's free, and it has amazing like filters and features and all that, and it's really cool. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you choose the right pictures, because let's say if I chose a picture like this and then I chose a picture like this. So obviously you're going to want to choose pictures with like the same picture but different poses. So it should be something like that and something like that. Just somewhere in the same like background and scenery, so that it doesn't look out of place and it doesn't look weird. But then again, like, you could do whatever you want to do. But that's just how I did it. So now that you have your pictures, you're going to want to choose like your two favorite ones. And then you're going to want to go to the app, and then you're going to choose like whatever picture you want to use. So I'm going to start with this one. And like, I don't think it really matters what order you do it in. So you can do it in whatever order you want. But now what you're going to want to do is, like, now that you have everything, first of all, you can obviously just play around with the filters and like discover the app and adjust anything. But once you're done doing whatever you want to do, you're going to want to try double exposure, and then you click like whatever picture you want to overlay. And then now you want to slide on this bar to see like how transparent you want to make it. So like you can make it like that. I did around like 50 to 60, the ratio, sort of like that. But I think 55 looks best. But yeah, I definitely think like halfway or middle halfway is probably better, because then you get like half of both pictures. But you could do whatever you want to do. And then now what I did is I went to color shift, and basically this is kind of like a glitch effect, but you can add like multiple colors like pink and green and all that. And I just went with like your basic red, yellow, or actually this is red, blue, and green. And then you kind of want to just, you can just drag it down as much as you want to make it like glitchy or whatnot. I also did around again like 50, in the mid 50s. Like, it doesn't matter, honestly, just as long as you like it. And then of course that's pretty much it, honestly. Like, that's really it. You can do, so you can add a filter to it, you can adjust the saturation, make it a little bit like more warm. You can bring down the brightness and it'll make it like really dark. And yeah, and you can do whatever you want to do. It's really simple like that. And since like if you want to save your picture, you do have to pay, and you have to get the InFilter Pro membership. So what I did is I just screenshotted it like that, and then I cropped it just how I liked it, just like so. And then I just did that. And then I posted it on Instagram. And you're pretty much ready to go. Like, that's your look right there. It's really simple and straightforward. And it looks super cool. So yeah, it's really easy. Hope that helped you guys. And that's it for for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to stay healthy and safe. I love you. Make sure to follow my Instagram. Bye.